Okay, so this is an example Turnitin assignment. So when I go in to edit the assignment, we want to create different due dates. So everyone is due on, let's make this September 18th. And then just for fun to see what happens, let's also see what happens if we assign it to an individual student a week later. So I'm going to save that. Okay, then we want to see what happened to the settings in Turnitin. So you have your start date. So you want to make sure that the start date looks good. The due date, notice that the due date took the latest possible due date. So remember how we had two? This one took the latest one, so that all looks good. So everything is good here. When I go to optional settings, I can also make sure that allow late submissions is checked. So that's the only other optional setting, but by default, it is ready to go. So then submit, make sure that that is all saved. Again, we could go in and edit. And if we change this student to a later date, let's say the 30th, again, this should reflect in the Turnitin as well. So edit, oops, we already did that. So the 30th should be our new Turnitin date. And you go to settings, and the 30th is now our new Turnitin date. So everything has been set. Again, the allow late submissions was default. So there should not be any issues that I can see right away.